Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to review these trucks I just received today, and these trucks are from AutoWorld. It's a special edition and it's a release from Farm Trucks, B&B Farm Toys. These are AutoWorld diecast cars. And this is, as you can see, the Chevy Silverado K10 Fleetside from 1978. There you can see B&B Farm Toys. And there you have some premium facts if you like to read them. You can freeze it. These are limited to 2,520, so not too many. And here you can see the art, which is quite nice. I like the green one the most. There you can see it's from round 2, official release, but made for B&B Farm Toys. There you have your number, and there you have some info which you can freeze if you like. There's the whole back side. Let's have a look at the Chevy. And I ordered 2 of these because I want to take one out in the future. But I like the green one the most. Also with the packaging, with the green packaging, it's just very nice. And the silver, I think this is a very good edition. There you have your back side. And your rims, which are quite nice. And this has a metal base, rubber tires of course. It reminds me a bit of a very expensive Hot Wheels Silverado. There's also a metallic green silver one which is very, very expensive. There you have your front. Top. It's a very nice green metallic color. There you have the bed. So that's the first one. Let's have a look at the blue one. That's the second color. There you have the art. Same packaging. Probably another number. That's a number, but the packaging is the same, as you can see. So this is your blue edition with silver on the side. Silver gray. Same amount of pieces, 2,520. There you have your grille. Same rims, which are great looking. And there's your back side. And of course the same at the base, metal base. So that's my small review of these very nice farm trucks from B&B Farm Toys. You can find them on eBay. That's where I bought them. So that's my review. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.